Hey guys, I'm Asia and I'm gonna show you how to make a jumpsuit out of a sweater, so let's get started. So the first thing that I did was lay my sweater out flat, and then I placed a little black stretchy dress on top of it, and then I cut around the shape of my dress. Then this next clip is out of frame, unfortunately, but all that I did to make the shorts part was to cut a triangle in the center of the bottom of the sweater. And then I flipped the sweater inside out and I sewed along the sides of the sweater, starting from the bottom of the shorts all the way up to the arm. So next I needed to add a zipper, so I grabbed a black zipper, placed it along the back of the sweater, and then I just cut a straight line the length of the zipper. And then unzipping the zipper, I lined it up with the right and the left sides of the sweater, and then I folded each side of the sweater in about 1/2 inch and sewed that directly onto the zipper. And then making sure that the sweater is still inside out, I sewed down the crotch part of the front and the back of the shorts. That is as simple as that. So this is the final result, and I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. Thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I will see you guys in my next one.